Hey guys, I'm Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you NordVPN versus ExpressVPN. Which one should you get? So let's get started. So here we are, we have ExpressVPN here and we have NordVPN here. So choosing the right VPN can significantly impact your online security, privacy, and internet freedom. In this video, we'll compare two of the most popular VPN services, NordVPN and ExpressVPN, to help you decide which one suits your needs best. So number one would be the security and privacy. So with NordVPN, you would get the strong encryption to keep your data safe, and it also supports different methods for securing your connection, including a new fast and secure option called NordLinks. And it also has the no logs policy. It does not track or store what you do online. And its extra features would include double VPN, which encrypts your data twice, and CyberSec, which blocks ads and harmful websites. And now for ExpressVPN, its encryption also uses strong encryption to protect your information. And for the protocols, it offers several methods to secure your connection, including a new one called Lightweight, which is designed for speed and safety. And for the no logs policy, it would ensure that your online activities are not also recorded. And for the extra features, it provides split tunneling, which would let you choose which apps use the VPN, and the trusted server technology, which ensures that all data is wiped every reboot. So for the winner of this category, while both services offer excellent security features and privacy policies, but I think NordVPN is the winner because it has a few more extra features like double VPN and CyberSec. Now let's go for the speed and performance. So for NordVPN, its speed is known for high-speed connections, especially with the NordLinks protocol. And its servers is over 5,400 servers in 60-plus countries. And its performance is consistently high performance with minimal slowdowns. And now ExpressVPN, on the other hand, its speed is also renowned for its reliable and fast speeds, particularly with the Lightweight protocol. And its servers is over 3,000 servers in 94 countries. And its performance, it maintains excellent speed and performance across various locations. So the winner for me in this category is ExpressVPN because ExpressVPN often wins in speed test, but NordVPN's performance is also excellent, especially with NordLinks. Now let's go with streaming and unblocking. So NordVPN effectively unblocks popular streaming services like Netflix, Hulu, Amazon Prime, and more. And it also has the Smart Play feature, which is a built-in feature that enhances streaming capabilities. And now, ExpressVPN, on the other hand, in terms of streaming, it is known for its reliably unblocking a wide range of streaming platforms, including Netflix, BBC iPlayer, Disney+, and more. It also has the media streamer feature, which means a smart DNS service to improve streaming on devices that don't support VPNs natively. And now the winner for this category for me would be ExpressVPN. While both VPNs are great for streaming, ExpressVPN is slightly more consistent in unblocking a broader range of services. And now it's time for the pricing and plans. For NordVPN, you would have a variety of plans, including monthly, yearly, and multi-year options. And then as for the cost, you can see the prices right here. And then for the free trial, it provides you a 30-day money-back guarantee. So as you can see, with the cost here, it would provide you significant discount on longer-term plans. So if you go for 1 year right here, this would become higher right here because this one is a 2-year plan, and when you go for 1 year it would become higher, so which means that the longer plan you get, the more discounts you will get here in NordVPN. And now let's go to ExpressVPN in the pricing. So here it is. So with NordVPN, it only offers monthly and yearly plans. And as for the cost, you can see it right here. So it's basically still the same. The more months you get, the more discount that you will get. And then as for the free trial, it also comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee right here. So if you only go for 1 month, it would be $12.95. But if you go for 12 months right here, it would be almost half the the price. And if you go for 6 months, you would get $9.99 right here. And then you can see the order summary right here. When you get the 12 months right here, it is only $99.95 right here. And now let's head over to the user interface and ease of use. So here in NordVPN, it has user-friendly apps for all major platforms with an intuitive interface. And as for the compatibility, you can see it right here that it supports Windows, macOS, Linux, iOS, Android, and so much more. And its customer support is also 24/7 live chat. And now for ExpressVPN, its interface is clean, easy to use interface across all platforms. And its compatibility supports a wide range of devices including routers, gaming consoles, and smart TVs. And its customer support is also 24/7 live chat. So the winner for this category for me, both are extremely user-friendly, but ExpressVPN has a slight edge due to its broader device compatibility. And now let's discuss the additional features of both of these platforms. So for NordVPN, you would get the P2P servers, dedicated IP option, and a password manager, which is NordPass. And its connection would allow you up to 6 simultaneous connections. As for the ExpressVPN, its special features would be the trusted server technology, which ensures data is wiped with every reboot, and it supports split tunneling. And as for the connection, it would only allow you to 5 simultaneous connections. So in this category, it is clear that NordVPN offers more simultaneous connections and a few extra features. So it is the winner. So now, in conclusion, both NordVPN and ExpressVPN are excellent choices, offering robust security, high-speed connections, and reliable streaming capabilities. So if you choose NordVPN, you are most likely getting the features like double VPN, additional simultaneous connections, and a more budget-friendly option. But if you are choosing ExpressVPN, you would get the faster speeds, broader device compatibility, and consistent streaming performance. So ultimately, the best choice depends on your specific needs and preferences. Both VPNs are industry leaders and will provide excellent service for most users. So yeah, that is basically it on the comparison on NordVPN versus ExpressVPN on which one should you get. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.